Assalamualaikum dear student, subject math, class 3rd, lesson measurement. In a previous video, I taught about weight, and in this video, I will teach you about volume and capacity. So let us start the video. Measurement, volume and capacity. Look at the pictures. These are some vessels full of water. Observe them and tell which one can hold more water and which one less. So, please tell me which ones can hold more water? Yes, the bucket will hold the most water. Yes or no? Yes. And the bowl can hold the least water. Okay? Next, the bucket become full when 40 glasses of water were poured into it. 40 glass of water. How many? 40. And this bucket become full with 10 pitchers of water. How many pitchers? 10. 10 pitchers of water. The same amount of water measures different. The same amount of water measures different means one used to measure it. Yes or no? Yes. यहाँ पे ग्लास यूज हो रहा है and यहाँ pitchers. So same amount of water measures different because different means used to measure it. Yes or no? Yes. No matter who fills water in the bucket, it should measure the same. For that, we must use standard measures. This is the measures of 1 liter. The milkman keep this. Yes or no? Yes. It is used to measure out liquids such as milk and oil. मिल्क एंड ऑयल को मेजर करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? इसे यूज करते हैं. We can easily get a 1 liter water bottle. Next, the picture alongside shows measures used especially for kerosene. The picture alongside shows measures used especially for kerosene. So, the liter is a standard unit for measuring liquid. Liter measured in liquid measured in liter. Okay? So liter is a standard unit for measuring liquid. Always remember. Okay? Next, take various vessels such as pitchers, a box, a pan, and make estimate of how much water they can hold. 1 liter, less than 1 liter, and more than 1 liter. Verify your guess by actually using 1 liter bottle. Okay? So there are some vessels and the pitcher can hold more than 1 liter. Yes or no? Yes. Pitcher can hold more than 1 liter, and this box can hold less than 1 liter, and this pan can hold 1 liter of water. Now we pour water in this bottle and check how milliliter water this bottle can hold. Now we poured water in this bottle and check how milliliter water this bottle can hold. So the pitcher holds 5 liter of water. How many? 5 liter of water, mean more than 1 liter. Okay. The box is hold half liter, and the pan holds 1 liter of water. Okay. Next, take out page number 42 in your textbook. Pour 3 liters of water into each of the above. How many liters? 3 liters of water into each of the above containers. The water will take different shape in each container. Yes or no? Yes. Because each container is different in shape. Each container is different in shape. Yes. But the volume of water in each container is how many liters? 3 liters. Yes. Okay. 5 1 liter bottles of water were poured into this bucket. How many liters? 1 liters की बॉटल को 5 times हमने क्या किया है, इसमें poured किया है. The volume of water in this bucket is 5 liters. How many liters? 5 liters. Find out how much more water can be added to fill this bucket completely. Okay. So this bucket, the bucket already have 5 liters of water. More water can added to fill this bucket completely. The capacity of this bucket is 12 liters. So this capacity of bucket is how many liters? 12 liters. And 5 liters of water poured in it. So 12 liters minus 5 liters is equals to 7 liters. So to fill this bucket completely, that could be 12 liters minus 5 liters is equals to 7 liters. 7 liters more water can be added to fill this bucket completely. So 7 liters water required to fill this bucket completely. Okay. So the amount of water that is needed to fill any container such as pot, bucket, drum or pan is called the capacity of container. The amount of water is needed to fill any container such as pot, bucket, drum, pan is called the capacity of container. Okay. Next is your homework. Draw the bucket and mark it from half liter to 5 liters. Okay. Thank you.